In this video, we'll discuss the difference between type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Before talking about the difference, we'll first need to understand what insulin is. Insulin is a type of hormone that is produced by pancreas. When blood sugar is high, pancreas will make more insulin, which will bring the blood sugar down. The main difference between type 1 and type 2 diabetes is people with type 1 diabetes cannot make sufficient amount of insulin. People with type 2 diabetes, on the other hand, have no problem making insulin, but their bodies refuse to follow the command of insulin. So blood sugar stays high despite adequate amount of insulin. This is also known as insulin resistance. However, I would like to mention that many people fall into a gray zone between those two types. For example, you could be both resistant to insulin and not making adequate amount of insulin at the same time. Also, many people have neither type 1 or type 2 diabetes. For example, moldy or gestational diabetes. Dividing all diabetes into two types is an oversimplification. The reality is much more complicated. Then you might ask, how to tell if I'm able to make adequate amount of insulin? You can go to hmf-diabetes.com and search diabetes pancreas function to find more details.